Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to change or rename the username in Kali Linux. This tutorial is a step-by-step guide on how to rename your username on Debian-based distros. The instructions explain how to change or rename the username along with the user's home folder name, as well as a simple workaround for potential issues with configuration files that still point to the old home folder name. There's also a step for changing the full name, which is shown on the login screen and other places throughout the desktop. So my current username is this. You can see my current username and current working directory name. All details about my username, user ID and group ID are here. So first of all we have to enable the root user so we can change the user's name. Simply set the root password. If you learn how to change or set a root password, click on the I button. After that, reboot your computer. Now at the login screen, you have to log in with a root user with its credentials. Now in this tutorial, I am using the latest version of Kali Linux. And using these commands you can verify the login user. Use mod command to change username under a Linux operating system. This command modifies the system account files to reflect the changes that are specified on the command line. This command to change your username and home directory. If you get an error about a process being in use for the old username, kill that process. Now, this command is to change the group from old username to new username. Some applications will show errors when changing the username because in some cases there are configuration files that point to the old username's home folder. A solution for this is to create a symbolic link from the new home folder to the old home folder. So this is the command for it. Change the display name first name last name. So this command for replace the new first and last name with your old first and last name or whatever you want to show up on the login screen and various other places throughout the system. First and last name can also be one item, that is your new username. So this is the command for it. Now you can check the all new changes. All details about username, user ID, group ID, full username, and working directory are here. Now you can see the old username, working directory and full name is changed, but the user ID and group ID are the same. Now again reboot your computer. Now at the login screen, I am trying to log in with my old username, but it shows an error. That means this username now does not exist. Now log in with a new username and the same password which is used in the old username. Now you can see the new changes. The username is changed and its working directory name also changed. Now you can check the all new changes. All details about username, user ID, group ID, full username, and working directory are here. Now you can see the old username, working directory and full name is changed, but the user ID and group ID are the same. So that is it. This is the way how to change or rename the username in Kali Linux. Thank you for watching this video. And make